Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox Creator Studio error that says Roblox asset creation failed. Please try again later. Let's get started. The steps are simple and work the same whether you're using the Roblox launcher or the Roblox website. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox homepage. Log in to your account, click on your profile icon and select Create. This will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub. Next, go to the Creations tab and click on Development Items. This is where you upload your assets. Before uploading, make sure your file size is under 20 megabytes. Files larger than this will fail to upload. Also, ensure your content follows Roblox guidelines. Explicit or inappropriate content is not allowed and will be rejected. Finally, check the file format. Roblox only supports JPEG, JPG, PNG, TGA, and BMP for asset uploads. Once your file meets these requirements, upload it again and the issue should be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix the Roblox asset creation failed error. If this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.